Alright guys, so basically today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cloud shooting thunder out on a human. Alright guys, so this is how you do it, okay? So basically you need alright, so basically you need a wing, you need to size it, you need to make it really wide. And when you make it really wide, it looks like a dark cloud. So you can just make it wider if you want. If you want the cloud to be maybe you can make a tornado with it somehow. I don't know. Okay, and then let me just do that. Okay, basically after you get the cloud, now we need to get the proto gun, and we need to make it really. We need to get the proto gun, make it really big. Go actually no, it doesn't depend on size. It can be what. It's just just get a promo gun. Do this, get a promo gun. I'm just making it big for fun. Alright, and see, look at that. It stopped. Now you can drag the little thing like this, so it becomes like that. And it's really cool, guys. Look at this. I'm making freaking thunder. And yeah, it's super cool. It's super cool. This can be for a lot of stuff. If you want to make a human flying with thunder coming out of his hands or something, this is what you should do. The promo gun style thing, and you can just put a human there to make it look dangerous. Really dangerous. Alright guys, bye. See you in the next video.